Now moving ahead after this paragraph, 10,000 lakh because there they have lived here for more than 30 years without an identity. They are not 10,000, rather than they are more than 1 lakh now. Without permits but with ration cards that get their names on voters' lists and enable them to buy grain. Food is more important for survival than an identity. This is the most important sentence which is given in the text. It is very, very important. You have to pay attention towards it because we need food to make ourselves survive, not an identity. There is no requirement of an identity rather than the food. If at the end of the day we can feed our families and go to bed without an aching stomach, means without any aching stomach, there is no ache in our stomach, and we have already filled the bellies of our family members, it should be somehow good. We would rather live here than in the fields that gave us no grain. In the fields that gave us no grain to them, they are living here, they are peaceful here because they are filling the belly of their family members and themselves also. Say a group of women in tattered saris. When I ask them why they left their beautiful land of green fields and rivers, wherever they find food, they pitch their tents that become transit homes. Transit means not permanent. Children grew up in them, becoming partners in survival because they started the work and they earned some sort of livelihood, they earned some sort of money. And survival in Simapuri means rag picking. Though the years it has acquired the proportion of a fine art, garbage to them, it is very important for the text. Garbage to them is gold. It is their daily bread, a roof over their head, even if it is a leaking roof, but for a child it is even more than that. Because the child, they grow up in the garbage only, means they find out some sort of the things, they sell out that thing and they earn their livelihood. That's why it is more than that of a child. I sometimes find a rupee, even a 10 rupee note, Sahib says, his eyes lighting up. When you can find a silver coin, a heap of garbage, you don't stop scrounging. Suppose you find out one silver coin, a gold coin, you never stop find out, or you never stop describing or discovering the garbage because have uh, you have hope to find out more and more. It seems that for children, garbage has a meaning different from what it means to their parents. For the children, it is wrapped in wonder, and for the elders, it is a means of survival because they are the partner in their survival, they are the partner in their earning. One winter morning, I see Sahib standing by the fenced gate. There was one fence, there is walls all around. Gate of the neighborhood club, watching two young men dressed in white playing tennis. I like the game, he hums, content to watch it standing behind the fence. I go inside when no one is around, he admits. The gatekeeper, they let me use the swing inside when there was no one. So up to that paragraph, student, you have to learn this lesson first, and if you have any problem, write down in the comment box. I will satisfy your need, and you have to share the video to others also. No need to keep it yourself only because it is only the benefited for the students, means other students they should be benefited. You have to help out these students by sharing the video, and whatever you want you have to write down in the comment box. Thank you, have a nice day.